guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to get your Temu referral code. The first step is go to the application of Temu, and here you need to go here in the last part of the feed. You need to go to the option of view. This is the option of your profile. You pick here, and after that you need to go to earn credits and free gifts. So you pick here and you got a lot of options. You need to pick here in redeem cash. And after that, you need to pick here and refer new app users. So here you can, share your referral code for another person, for that person can, download the app of Temu with your code, and you can copy the link, or you can send that code, like if that person got WhatsApp, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram Direct, X, for example. But I recommend to you to copy the link and paste it wherever you can send that code to the person you want to join to Temu. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.